We're at 1643 Amarillo. This is in Gulf Breeze, just off of Woodlawn Beach. We are entering through our front door here into our main foyer. Directly in front of us, we have the living room, kitchen, and master. But first, we're going to go to the left. We have a short hallway here to 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. So here is guest bedroom number 1. Sits on the left side of the home. We have good window lighting and French door access to our closet as well. Nice tall ceilings in here. Continuing on, you'll see a linen closet to our left. On our right, we have our guest bathroom. Nice tub shower combo. Good size vanity here as well. Coming back out. Here is bedroom number 2. So this is on the front side of the home. We have a nice big window looking into our front yard. Lots of good lighting. This could be office, playroom, nursery, or a guest bedroom. Also has a good sized closet in here as well. Continuing on now, going back through our hallway, you can see to our right is our front door. Directly across is our laundry room and access from our 2-car garage. Washer and dryer units are located behind this entry door here. Now we're going to continue on, so we're going to go to the right. Here is our living space. We have nice tray ceilings. Surround sound system is included with the rental. French doors to our back patio. And then we have our formal dining area. We have our galley style kitchen here open as well. And then we'll turn you around. Kitchen includes all stainless steel appliances. We've got a good sized pantry. Window overlooking our sink. Now if we continue on through, to our left is the pantry, to our right is a secondary access to our living room. So you can see we are at the back side of the home now. Our front door is directly in front of us. Passing our French doors to our screened enclosed patio, we're going to go to the master bedroom. Here is that master suite. We have nice vaulted ceilings in here, double windows for extra good lighting. We do have an attached ensuite here as well. Ensuite has 2 walk-in closets, walk-in shower, soaker tub, linen closet, private water closet, and double sink vanity with plenty of storage space. We'll turn you around here so you can see the soaker tub and walk-in shower. We passed our 2 walk-in closets on the way in. You can see those here. Continuing on, we'll go to our backyard, back through the master, and we are back in our living space again. Exiting out the French doors here, we have a large screened-in patio. We have an exit from both sides, left and right. We do also have a storage shed, and then the yard is fully enclosed. Walking out of our screened-in patio now, we'll turn you so you can see this yard here. Wraps around both sides of the property. And then directly in front of us now is our storage shed. We'll head over there. This is a great property, very centrally located. It is zoned for Gulf Breeze High School or Soundside High School, depending on which one your child would like to go to. We'll take this entry back into our screened-in patio now. So going back inside, here's that patio space. And we'll enter back into our French doors into our living area. Again, this is 1643 Amarillo, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.